Today let's review the setup of the Collection Management module. This module can save you a lot of money in cash flow if your accounts receivable are not paid promptly by all your customers. So we're going to start by going into the Sales Series, under Setup, and Collection Setup. Now it's required that you go in here the first time because you're going to actually be creating the tables. So when you reprint invoices from Collection Management, should you reprint them from Sales Order Processing or Invoicing? And I use the Advanced Invoicing module called Sales Order Processing, so I'll leave that there. Then it's going to ask us about our default overdue period. We're going to change that to 31 and 60, so now that's our overdue period. When we send email attachments, how do we want them sent? I'm going to change it to Adobe PDF file from a text file. When we send emails out, what's our reply to address from? I'm going to have the reply to address set from to current workstation. What's our default customer contact method? I'm going to change that to email. And what's our time zone? I'm in the Eastern time zone, so I'll select that. And then we're going to leave the no credit control cycle set up. And I'll click OK. Now at a minimum, it's ready to go. There's a couple pieces of more information we want to key in, such as collectors. Here you can enter in collector information. And I've entered in this case my name, position, email address, phone number information, and my signature line. And my signature line needs to be populated, so we'll just say Belinda Allen, Smith and Allen Consulting Inc., belinda@saci.com, and save. So now I have my signature address set up. Now, when I'm in Collections Management, the user ID SA in Great Plains gets assigned to the collector Belinda. And I'll click on Save. I'm going to go down to my collector signature, and here's where you can see the signature that I just set up. Then there's a collection local setup. So when I print, where do I want my invoice to go to or from? I'm going to use blank paper for both of them, and which default statement ID I want to use. And that's set up in Receivables. I can set up collection security by selecting your collectors and designating which customers they have access to. In this case, I want access to all of them, so I'll leave them all selected. This is a good use for class IDs as well, and salesperson IDs. And then finally we'll have collection levels, and we're not going to set that up right now, but you could set up different reminder levels to help you with your collection management. That being done, Collections Management's ready for use. Stay tuned more for how we use it. Hope this helps.